Hello everybody, welcome to a new video where today I'll just be showing you that you guys can use the Cam Link 4K to not only you just use for cameras and everything, but you can also use it for Apple TV, for your MacBook, for your Windows machine, or even to browse or, and even to view a different PC within OBS. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright, so step number one is going to be going to the Cam Link 4K download so we can go and grab the drivers. Cool. Then we can go select our product and we can download. And now we wait. Alright, now that that is done, we can go to our downloads and install. Agree to license agreement and just carry on installing. Click yes when prompted to do so, because this task does require administrative permission. And that's it. Now we are done. So if you now check, you can see that the Elgato camera hub is now here. So go ahead and connect your camera. And by camera, I mean the Cam Link 4K, not the actual camera, just connect the device. And there you go. This is on my Apple TV. Let me just go grab the remote. There you go. As you can see, we are now on my Apple TV. So we can, for example, open YouTube here. And this is what I meant. You guys can view and browse quite a lot of things. So if we open my main account, which is going to be Colin Building Racing, let's close that. As you guys can see, I can even watch videos. All my stuff is here. All the bike content I watch, for example. And it works perfectly fine, 100% smooth. And just like this, you guys are already good to go for everything. So it's quick. It's quite responsive, actually, with the touch inputs and everything.